Welcome to JH. Today we're diving deep into Hellobit exchange, because apparently, the world definitely needed another crypto platform with a generic name. Is it safe? Or is it just another way to watch your money vanish into the digital void? Let's find out. Launched recently, Hellobit claims to be a secure haven with advanced tools and MSB certification, which is a fancy way of saying they promise to follow US money service rules. Because if there's one thing crypto is known for, it's definitely following all the rules. On the bright side, they talk a big game about security, using standard encryption to keep your funds from growing wings. You can trade the heavy hitters like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the interface is clean and modern, perfect for looking at charts while you question your life choices. They even offer automated trading features for those who prefer to let a bot lose their money while they sleep. It's convenient, really. But here's where the plot thickens. Digging deeper reveals more red flags than a parade in a communist country. Review sites are split. Some say it's fine, while others are screaming for you to run for the hills. The biggest concern is that their regulation status might be more creative writing than actual fact. In the crypto world, regulation matters, and without real oversight, your money is basically on a solo mission. Throw in some glacial customer service and a complete lack of transparency about who actually runs the place, and things start looking a bit sketchy. Being new isn't a crime, but it does mean they have zero track record compared to the giants who have actually proven they won't disappear overnight. If you're new to this, maybe don't start your journey with a mystery box. If you're a seasoned pro and insist on trying Hellobit, only use money you were planning to set on fire anyway. In the crypto world, security is everything. So do your homework before clicking that deposit button. Have you gambled, traded, on Hellobit yet? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more reviews. See you next time.